Hello everyone, this is Jasmine here, and this is my explanation of my personal branding project. Right here, this is just the homepage of my website as it looks right now. Going through this process of deciding how I wanted to approach my personal branding project sort of compelled me to want to redesign this, but I know that I want to somehow incorporate my animation in this homepage. So like I said, this is what I have right now. I do plan on changing it. I just want to take a quick look here. This was my mood board and my style guide, and this sort of inspired me to sort of take my look in a slightly different direction. Now here is my my screens for my storyboard. So it's going to just open up with a hello. This slides in from one side. This line here comes up from another. And then as these go off to the left, this little paper airplane is going to show up, and as it flies across the screen, it's going to pull this blue sky onto the screen, and then it's going to exit to the left. And the plan was to have the airplane zoom back in, make this little heart, and zoom out. And then at the end, this would be a button here that would take you to my portfolio page. So this is the actual animation, and this is just a start page. So you click that. And so it does that little blinking animation, and then it switches to a button. When you hover over it, it switches colors, and it sort of gets a little heartbeat going. And then when you click it, it changes colors, and right now it just takes you to my Behance account because I don't have my website up and running at this moment. So that is where I'm at. I'm pretty happy with everything. The only thing I had issues with was getting figuring out how to get the airplane to do this. Like if you look, and I just don't think I know enough about the program yet to really do this right. I just did it screen by screen, each little dot. And I wasn't sure how to incorporate the airplane with that. But I think it looks pretty cool right now, and I'm excited to incorporate it into my website. I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone thinks.